Hey everybody, baby Kittens here. If you're a cat lover, I hope you will like this video. Please tell me in the comment, do you have a cat or are you planning to have? And of course, do you like to watch baby kittens? Because they are very adorable and funny at the same time. These baby kittens are very funny and approximately old 1 month. They like to play, as you can see, with everything, like balls also. Mitch, mitch, kittens, baby kittens. And of course, I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. In this way, you can support me and you can watch new videos in the next few days, of course. They do different kind of things, play with everything, but that's quite normal for baby kittens. Mitch, 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 mitch. I don't know, but some of them are scared. But some of them are not. They like to smell. They don't know what is this. So at this moment they don't know what is this. Is this maybe alive? Mitch, mitch, kittens. The black and white cat is only who is touching this mostly. The other two are more scared, but not too much. Mitch, Mitch. Please tell me what do you think. Do you play in this way with your kids or what do you do? Also, please don't forget to comment and like. And that's it for now. See you later. Bye.